Here is the new video on calculus for class 12 student. Let us start the video. The sum is y equal to cos x whole to the power cos x. This is logarithmic form. So let us see how to do the sum. It is not a difficult sum. To do the sum, we take the log on either side. So y equal to cos x whole to the power cos x. Find dy by dx. This type of sum is often asked in the examination. See previous videos, so you can follow a lot on differentiation. Here the sum is done step by step. Students who are beginner and always afraid of calculus, I think they will be able to work out sums after seeing this video. Don't hurry for the first time. Always look the steps carefully. Now come to the sum. So now taking, when there is power on either side or on one side, take the logarithm on both sides, so it become differentiable. Now log y equal to log cos x all to the power cos x. Is equal to, you know, log x to the power n means n is multiplied in the front, so it is cos x log cos x. Now differentiating both sides, it is log y, so we must write in this way, dy of log y, then dy by dx. So follow this step who are new in doing calculus. So when there is we are doing with respect to x, so we always write dy of log y, then dy by dx, because it is with respect to x. On the right hand side, it is product rule. So cos x first function cos x, let us write cos x, then ddx of log cos x, ddx of log cos x, then plus second function constant, so it is log cos x into ddx of cos x. Okay, now differentiating, get 1 by y, you know dy of log y 1 by y into dy by dx. Now cos x, it is log cos x, so we assume cos x is equal to v for this term, okay, so that it becomes a standard form for differentiation. So ddv of log v, so log v is a standard form into ddx. What to substitute? We have to get the differentiation of that part, dx of plus, so chain rule is applied in the first case, log 5x into dx of minus sin x. Easy. Now b equal to, we assumed for this that cos x, b equal to cos x. Fine. Now it is cos x into 1 by v into minus sin x log cos x into minus sin x. So we make the middle sign minus because it is minus with sign. So sign is changed, plus, so cos x to 1 by, putting the value of b, 1 by cos x into minus sin x minus log cos x into sin x. Cos x cancelled, are cancelled. Now let us arrange the terms. Let's see the sum carefully. So minus sin x will go common, so minus sin x is outside, so cos x, oh, that will be a log cos x. I'm writing, wait, let's continue. Minus sin x minus cos x, not, it is minus log cos x, writing. Just let's continue. So it is 1 minus sin x, so it is minus sin x minus cos x sin x. So minus y take common, so sin x is minus sin x is outside, it become 1 plus, it will be, because sin x is out, minus sin x is out, so it will be 1 plus log cos x, 1 plus log cos x. So in the above line it will be log, I told you earlier, so it is resolved, so making it correct. Now writing, so it is 1 plus log cos x. So now putting the value of y, because y is given at the above, so putting the value of y from above, we get minus cos x whole to the power cos x in place of y, and it is log cos x. I think it is the answer. So hope you have understood this sum. Now let's come to the second sum, like this, almost logarithm form. So e to the power x plus y equal to xy. If you practice this type of sum, you can apply this for the other sums too. So this is all similar types of sum, but carefully follow 2, 3, 4 sums, so that it is very easy to work out the number of sums. If you follow the steps what is going on actually in the sum, now taking logarithm on both sides, so log e to the power x plus y, taking log on both sides, log e to the power x plus y. You know, in 2021 differentiability is not in the exam for 2021 batch. Okay, but differentiation is there, successive differentiation, normal differentiation, substitution, chain rule, everything is there in the exam. So but differentiability and continuities have been cancelled from the syllabus for the 2021 CPB or other video. I have uploaded it. You can see the what topics have been actually erased from the syllabus or eliminated rather. So it is come to the sum x plus y log e to the base e, because in calculus the base is always e. Always remember this, in calculus the base of log is always e. So log x plus log y, the product rule on the right hand side, log x plus log y. Log e to the base equal to 1. Always keep it remember, it is very useful, not difficult, but it comes very useful for doing this sum. Now differentiating, so everything is arranged perhaps. Now we are ready for differentiation. We will now differentiate the sum. So writing, so look the steps, so easy. For the first time, do not hurry, do practice, see the steps. Now differentiating with respect to x, dwdx, so ddx of x plus y is equal to and ddx of log x plus dy of log y, already I did, and like this also always follow the steps. When there is y, always I dy of this and then dy by dx. So the sum will follow, and this is the way to do the sum. This is the type of chain rule, intermediary chain rule. Chain rule is generally used in this type of sum, in the implicit form of sum. So 1 plus again dy by dx, dd by y 1. Now 1 by x plus 1 by y into dy by dx. Now just now dy by dx we generally to do what now, or dy dx on the left hand side we generally gather or dy dx, dy by dx minus 1 by y dy by dx, dy by dx. So on the left hand side we generally like to bring all this on the left hand side. Now this is 1 by x minus x is equal to 1 minus x by x. Now see that dy by dx, we take common dy by dx, so it will follow the sum. So dy by dx is equal to 1 minus x by x, and now taking y LCM, so y minus 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to 1 minus x by x. I hope now dy by dx is in our hand. Proof is, therefore we can subject dy by dx, dy by dx is equal to, we get the proof directly perhaps from this step. So y into 1 minus x by, in the numerator, x into y minus 1. Hence the proof is done. Practice, follow these two sums and other videos also. Thank you.